All right, welcome to the show. Today we have a bladeless neck fan. This is from a company called TAZENI. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. This is what you're going to get when you open the box. It's also going to come with a charging cable. Here is the bladeless neck fan. This is really cool. So on those hot days when it gets really hot out there, maybe you're at a sporting event or maybe you just got done running, this is what you're going to want. This has a very long battery, so you're able to keep cool pretty much all day. Here is the power on and off button right here. So you just click that and boom, it's ready to go. It also has 4 speeds. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click the speeds right now. And this is at the highest speed, and the air, you can just feel the air coming out right here. So you can put this around your neck right here. Ooh, I'm feeling cool already. This is nice. Now it's bringing that air this way. Now if you wanted to bring the air down, just bring it down like this. So I'm sure you can hear this in my microphone right now, but golly, this is really nice. Also, nice thing about it is formable. You can form it to how you want this to be on your neck, just like that. So. And it's very lightweight, rechargeable. That's what I like about it. So you can also get, something to charge it in your car. So if you're at an event, you can keep cool all day just with this big battery. So again, this is from a company called TAZENI. Very nice product. Make sure you hit that likey button down below, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.